ಹೆಡ್ಗೆವಾರ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಪತ್ರ 6 ಬಾರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Congress MLC BK Hariprasad has claimed that the Congress government will not allow the inclusion of life stories in school textbooks of individuals such as Keshav, the founder of RSS, whom he referred to as coward and false freedom fighter. As per Hariprasad, there is no evidence that he was a freedom fighter. He also expressed his inability to respect those he believed pretended to be freedom fighters while requesting compassion from the British. Talking to reporters, Hariprasad said BJP and RSS should explain why Hedgewar wrote 6 mercy letters to the British. For this standalone reason, he said we do not want to include such coward individuals' life stories in educational textbooks. After Hariprasad's statement on Hedgewar not being a freedom fighter, BJP spokesperson S. Prakash stated that MLC Hariprasad saying Hedgewar is not a freedom fighter is an insult and a baseless accusation.
ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರಾಗಲಿ ಸಂಘ ಪರಿವಾರದವರಾಗಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ಗೆವಾರ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಪತ್ರ 6 ಬಾರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರದೇ ಆದ ಗ್ರಂಥಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಿತ್ರಗುಪ್ತ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮಾಪಣೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ರಣಹಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪಠ್ಯಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ.
Strongly condemn the irresponsible statement of BK Hariprasad. He has insulted a freedom fighter. He has needlessly, baselessly called Dr. Hedgewar a coward and accuses that he has written an apology letter to the Britishers. It is an unfounded and a baseless allegation he has made. Hariprasad is known for making such irresponsible and uncharitable criticism against his political adversaries. Though he was the opposition leader in Karnataka, in the new dispensation he could not find a place in the cabinet. That is his political standing in Karnataka. And such person speaking about Dr. Hedgewar does not undermine his ability or the virtues. It only speaks about the mean mentality of BK Hariprasad.
Those people who have really not attended any university are the ones who are students and subscribers of this WhatsApp university, which is run, funded and founded by the Congress party. Here in Karnataka, the Congress is trying to remove a chapter from history textbooks on the founder of RSS, Hedgewar, and the activities of the organization. It is completely understandable as to why the Congress wants to delete the chapter on RSS. Because if they were to write real history and depict the truth about RSS, then a lot of historical truths about their own shortcomings will be exposed to the people of the country. For instance, the Congress has always claimed that the RSS never took part in its freedom movement. And if they were to include the chapter on Hedgewar, then it will come to light that even as a teenager, Hedgewar was arrested because he took part in the freedom movement. Thus, the Congress's propaganda will fall flat.